In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add code snippets to Trello card descriptions. If you share code with teammates in Trello, adding it as a formatted snippet keeps it readable, preserves indentation, and prevents Markdown from mangling characters. Here's how to do it from start to finish. First, head to Trello.com and sign into your workspace. From the Trello home screen, open the boards view, then choose the board where you want to add your snippet. Once the board loads, pick the card that needs the code and open it. You'll see the card dialog with the description section near the top. Click into the description area to start editing. In the editor toolbar, look for the option labeled Add or the plus icon that opens more tools. Select Insert Elements, and from the menu that appears, choose Code Snippet. This tells Trello you want a dedicated code block rather than normal paragraph text. A code editor window will open. Paste your code or type it directly into the field. If the language selector is available in your editor, pick the language that best matches your snippet, like JavaScript, Python, or HTML, so syntax highlighting works correctly. Keep an eye on spacing and tabs, since indentation matters for many languages. Avoid including any sensitive tokens or passwords, and consider trimming the snippet to just what reviewers need so the card stays scannable. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save. Trello will insert the code block into the description using a monospace font and a dedicated container, often with line wrapping or a scroll bar for longer snippets. You can always reopen the description later, click the code block, and make edits or replace it. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see insert elements or code snippet in your description editor, make sure you're using Trello's newer editing experience and refresh the page. For very long snippets, link to a repository file or gist and keep only the most relevant section in the card. And if you ever need quick inline code for a single term, use backticks in regular text. For full blocks, the code snippet option is still the cleanest choice. That's it. You've added a properly formatted code snippet to a Trello card description, making your technical notes clear, consistent, and easy to review. Use these same steps on any card where code context will speed up reviews and handoffs across your team.